Next, we're talking about the fruit that really started it all for Dole, pineapple. Previously, we talked a bit about the labor intensiveness of preparing mango from fresh. Fresh pineapple presents a similar challenge. It has a prickly outer skin and tends to have areas of fibrous pieces that need to be worked around. Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Pineapple Cubes eliminates that inconsistency and added labor. With Dole, you get these nice pre-cut diced cubes that are perfect for our featured recipe, Pineapple Jalapeño Salsa. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of Dole pineapple cubes. If you're planning on serving your salsa right away, make sure to thaw your fruit for about 15 minutes first. But if you're reserving for a later service, you can use them straight from frozen. As they thaw, they'll release some juice, which will add even more flavor to your salsa. So from here, we just mix in our other ingredients. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, sliced green onions, cilantro, and minced jalapeno. Next, we add a teaspoon of grated lime peel. Mix that together and you have a salsa that is incredibly flavorful but also balanced. What's great about this dish is that you can use it across so many menu applications. Add it as an appetizer with chips or use it as a topping for tacos and other entrees. It's also a great topping for bowl recipes, which are extremely popular. Finding a solution that you can use across multiple dishes and day parts can really help to streamline back-of-house operations because you're using one item in multiple ways versus the need to create a different filler or topping for each recipe. Beyond salsa, there are so many great ways to incorporate pineapple on your menu. It pairs beautifully with any protein and makes it a great addition for handhelds like sandwiches, wraps, and burgers. It also provides a brightness for fresh dishes like salads. And I know this one is controversial, but pineapple continues to be a top 10 pizza ingredient on US menus. So if you serve pizza and don't have pineapple as a topping option, it's time to add it. While Dole's Chef-Ready Cuts Pineapple Cubes can be used for pizza, we more often see larger cuts for pizza applications like pineapple chunks or tidbits. Dole offers both as part of their IQF fruit lineup. When working with frozen fruit on pizzas, you'll want to make sure your fruit is thawed and the slack is drained prior to adding it to your pizza. I'd recommend putting your fruit in a Cambro to thaw in the fridge overnight. If you prefer shelf-stable fruit when creating pizzas, Dole has a variety of canned pineapple options in various cuts and packing mediums to choose from, and the quality is unbeatable. Let me know in the comments your favorite menu applications for pineapple, and stay tuned for our next video on Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Apples.